Poonawalla, where sugar mills have been restarted, where a temple for Sita Maiya is going to be made, was the BJP's promise. Yet the candidate here trailing. Worry for you?
Navika, these are extremely initial trends, and I am pretty confident that in Sitamarhi and in that entire belt, we are going to exceed the expectations, simply because, let me put two factors. Navika, we are also going for MY, but our MY is Mahila and youth. And despite all the analysis that was done, that youth yahan jayega, etc., it has not gone there, or it's not going there. Let me tell you why. This is Maithili Thakur. Her family left Bihar because of Lalu Raj. We gave her the ticket. This is Shahabuddin. Shahabuddin is son of, Osama's son Shahabuddin's son is Osama. Osama को टिकट दे दिया इन लोगों ने. तो मैथिली को हमने टिकट दिया, इन्होंने ओसामा को. Navika, just 10 seconds more, because Sabha is on your panel. Sabha had met Tejaswi Yadav and she had done small interview, something like that. Just now we were analyzing the Muslim entire area. You know, even a person like Owaisi, we have 1,000 differences with Owaisi, but Mr. Tejaswi Yadav called Owaisi extremist and Atanki. This is something that even we avoid in the political domain. And imagine, they did not announce deputy CM for Muslim. They said for 5% and 2% we are having deputy CM. For 13% we are having CM. But for 20% they want no deputy CM. So therefore the vote bank politics has come back to bite them.
He said extreme.
Well, Manikam Tagore puts out his first tweet. Manikam Tagore says, when you delete 65 lakh voters, mostly from opposition's votes, what do you expect on result day? Democracy cannot survive in the playing field is tilted before the match even begins. SIR, vote chori are the hashtags. Is Manikam Tagore already conceding defeat? Sanjay Jha, 33 minutes into counting of votes. Is he actually admitting defeat?
I want to make 2 points here. I think firstly...
Comment on this one first.
I'm coming to that. He's basically actually making a very categorical statement which has been made for a long time, that this election needs to be fair for a actually honest result. Having said that, I believe at this point of time, it is rather inappropriate.
It's inappropriate?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, inappropriate, Smita Prakash. The fact that Manikam Tagore says 65 voters hata diye 65 lakh, well, kaise ho sakta hai?
He's keeping to the narrative which the Congress has done, that just in case we lose, then this is what we are going to be saying it. So it's a continuous narrative, whether they say it now or whether they say it 2 hours later.
33 minutes into counting of votes.
Tamil Nadu. He is saying because there are several issues coming up on Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu में जैसे बड़े झंडे गाड़ता है कांग्रेस पार्टी.